Hello, everybody. Welcome back. Sorry I'm a little bit late, but I'm here. What is happening? How are things going on? Welcome, welcome. Romeo, hello. The legendary, yeah. Kirk Townsend, hello there. Yes, I am a Funded Futures Network representative, I guess. Good morning. How was the session so far? Beachbud, hey, what's up? What is happening? Yeah, so seems like we got the 3-minute zone after all. So we got that. There was a bit of a pullback here. We need to search for something new. We need to search for a new zone, a new level or something. What was this? Oh, it seems like somehow the chart markups have disappeared. Oh no, they're here. All right. So eventually we did not drop all the way down there. I mean, we did, but this was quite a bit of a movement here. Oh, thank you for joining us, Peachbud. Thank you. Yeah, usually I try to start around 7, so I'm late like 9 minutes right now because I'm usually having a little bit of a busy day. Midday, I would say so. Bear Trader, hello, welcome. Awesome to see you, Bear Trader. What's up? So yeah, there were no particular zones. Actually, there was one. No, yeah, there is one on the 5-minute. I need to address this. Let me get this off and let me get this off. So let's start with a clean slate here. There is a zone here, right there. So that would be a not supply zone, demand zone. That would be a 5-minute demand zone right there. 324.75. Let's look around what happened here on the lower time frames, because we have the new day opening gap as well, and it has been partially repriced. Let me go to the 1 minute and see what happened here. Okay, so let's put a line there, and that is it. So the void starts at 418. But what happened in the London session? I was short, took a partial, then taken out break even, swept to higher high, went lower, shifted structure multiple times. We're now still seeking for some liquidity. One liquidity pocket has been taken here on the 3-minute. Kind of feels like it could be going lower. Let me look for a 5-minute gap. There's no 5-minute gap here. I feel like this could be good for a short. Not yet. It's tricky because everybody wants to see this go up to the gap, right? Okay. Nothing on the 3-minute. Okay, nothing on the 2-minute. I don't see anything on the 1-minute. The only thing we have is the 5-minute zone there. So let's aim for that, all right? That's what we're gonna do. Let's aim for that level. And that is gonna be, that could be with 2 micros. How about that? We're shifting structure here on the 1-minute. I'm gonna wait, of course, as always. Dominic, hello, welcome back. Welcome back, Dominic. Good to see you. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, so I'd like to go short once this candle closes, and I'm going to tell you exactly how and when. I think I want to do this with the limit order up there, 366. All right. Now that would be interesting. If it's still going to go higher, oopsie, then that is still okay. Stop loss should be 390. I jumped into a short. Let me switch the account. It's a small position. Not a big deal. Only 2 micros. I want to see if we can drop back down. Oops, sorry. To the VWAP 390. I know you might be asking why you want to short this one so much, but maybe I shouldn't. Damn. Is this going to take me out? I'm gonna put it to 390 anyway. 391. Buy stop, and I'm kind of gonna wait for that 324. Yeah. And if it still goes higher, then we're just gonna let it go higher. Want to see higher? Yeah. Seems like everybody wants to see that. We're practically not far. 418. I know. I just thought that, you know, at least once we're gonna go down there. Most likely I'm offside here. 400. I mean, sorry, 24,700. Good morning, Pilotok. Hello. Welcome. Kind of neutral again. I was really hoping for a drop here, by the way. I'm not going to close this. What's up? Buy side has been taken. I want to see. Yeah, I thought that, I mean, we can see a drop here, and it's just not happening. Man, I might have to kill this trade. What a shame. What a shame. And you know what? I'm gonna kill this trade. I don't care. I'm killing this trade. Yeah, it is what it is. It's just a small loss. I don't feel it. I don't know what's up with me today, everyone. I really don't know. I really don't know. I think it might just want to go higher, right? Yeah, way higher. Way higher. But how far? That's the big question, right? Can it go to 399? Just to tease everybody. How about 399? Not sure. Yeah, I had to kill that trade. I don't know what the hell. I think I'm gonna just have to wait for more confirmation. I thought this is finally gonna be the drop. We have this pin bar here on the 5-minute bullish pin bar. Should be taken at least the mid-level here at 350 or something, but it's not going there. So no full pour long. Good morning, Tris. Hello. How many accounts you blow before passing one? So basically, what's the ratio in your opinion? Well, I pass 1 out of 3, to be honest. Usually 1 out of 3. That would be a number I would go with. What would be the mid-level here? 351. Yeah, exactly. It depends on the strategy as well, a lot. It really depends on a lot on the strategy and, you know, the levels that you're looking for. So it really does. How do I calculate risk per trade? Well, Linking Blob, the thing is, there are some very handy tools here. For example, one in TradingView that's called long position or short position tool. You see with this one, you type in like how much you want to risk per trade. For example, $100. You type in $100 and it's going to tell you quantity for this stop loss is going to be 4 micros. So if your stop loss is going to be here, that's going to be 4 micro. If you put it like, I don't know, down there, and you want to risk 100, that's going to be 1 micro trade. Sorry, 1.7 micro. If you put it here, it's going to be 4.3 micro for $100. So, but eventually, you know, with more experience, you can kind of calculate it easy by yourself. You will just, you know, get into the flow and you're just kind of eyeballing it. But it should be anywhere between 1 to 5. But you just see like, okay, we're at 373. I mean, my stop should be like at 63. So I know that I can go with like 5 micros, right? Because that's $100. So if I want to go with 2 micros, that's $200. I'm going to go with 10 micros. So it's just an easy calculation, but these tools are very handy in TradingView. Helps you to calculate, you know, the micros. Obviously, you cannot put on 2.4 micros, right? So that's something you can't do. But, you know, it can be still useful, at least to you know, try to get the feeling of it, like how much should you be risking, right? So, yeah. But it seems like it's going higher, so that is interesting. Daniel, hello. What's up? I have the same, but for yeah, Ninja Trader has it too. Yeah, I mean something similar. Yeah. Target 470. Yeah, we have the void up there, so we do have the liquidity void there. I need to check on something real quick. Let's see. How was anybody traded the London session? I hope everybody made some profits. Okay. Alberito, hello. Mark Miller, welcome back. I'm just stopping by because I have to work. Oh, thank you so much for dropping in. And everybody, please smash the like button. Romeo says got chopped up, but still green. Well, at least you survived. That's what matters. Devil Jin, hello. Good morning. Welcome back. Good morning. Let's see. We are having only 17 likes. Come on, everybody. We can push it a little bit higher. Let's go with a little bit more. I'm seeing 17 likes. Let's go with like, at least get above 50. Let's get above 50 likes. I know we can do it. I know we can do it. I wonder if the market will try to reach higher here. What do you guys think? Are we going to hit that gap, or is that the direction right now? Sorry, I'm just kind of checking something. Oh, Terry Trades is here. Sorry, I wasn't reading the chat. She's here, everyone. Terry's here. Oh my gosh, I'm sorry. I was reading some emails and messages. I was like all over the place. Oh, Bear Trader, by the way. Because I went through my Twitter about a few minutes ago, I did see that. Let me just like that. I did see that. Hold on. Hold on. I know I saw it somewhere. Oh, here it is. Here it is. Did you guys see this? This is amazing. Hold on. That is amazing. Oh my gosh, let me read. Gold today, oh yeah, real quick, gold is going higher. We tapped the zone down there, but I have no targets to the upside. Just to quickly go through, no zones up there. Let me just go through the questions real quick. I'm sorry, I was reading so many things. So be careful. Yeah, we gotta be careful there. I'm sending the telegram exactly to the market makers. Hey Norbert, what's up? You're in long? All right. Mark Miller, what's up? It's so good to see. Oh my gosh, Terry. What is going on? Terry just donated $50 to the stream.
Tom, you are a rock star.
Terry. Oh my gosh. Thank you so much. I mean, what is Terry just gifted 5 subs to the channel? What is going on, Terry? Terry, where's the alert? Alert should be coming up. The alerts are, there you go. Congratulations to Romeo for being a member of the Winners Club. To Ty Gorton, congratulations as well. Min Nguyen, congratulations. Batsky, congratulations. And Cosmos, oh my gosh, everybody. Terry just dropped the gift bomb here. This is Terry, you're being too kind. Terry, you are being too kind. Oh my gosh, Terry. That's what she's doing, right? She's buying votes. She's buying votes right now. She is buying votes. All right, I know how it goes. Okay. No, I of course I'm just joking. Appreciate. Thank you so much. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, Terry, you shouldn't have. I thank you in the name of the community, in the name of myself, everyone. This is a lot of money with the gifting and with the donation. Thank you so much. That's a lot. Thank you. Oh my gosh. Pip Drunk, promotion wise, we have the MyFundedFutures promo still going on for the Flex, the Rapid, and the Pro accounts. The Funded Futures Network buy one get one for free promo is still running until the end of the month, so you basically have time until Saturday, so you can buy one get one for free at Funded Futures Network. Those are currently running. And we have Lucid Trading 50% off at Lucid of any evaluation account until next Tuesday. I think I have to check the date and the numbers, but yeah, those are still running. So yeah, we have a couple of those, and yeah. Oh my gosh, I'm still under the, like, I mean, Terry just donated a bunch of everything to the channel. Terry, you are too kind. You are absolutely too kind. Farhad is here. Hello, Farhad. What's up? And Take Profit Trader, by the way, the 40% off and the daily payouts with Take Profit Trader, and of course TRADEDAY also has the daily payouts. Check them out. There you go. She's going to curl the hair and making coffee. You are amazing, Terry. Thank you again. Everybody, we are only having 35 likes. What's happening? I know we can do better. I know. Let's get this to at least 70. We can do that. We can do it. Let's get these likes up to like at least 50 to 70, somewhere around there. I know we can do it. It's a bit of a slow market right now, but I know we can do it. I trust everybody that we can do it as a team. Let's do it, everyone. What a day. Whenever Terry is around, I know everything is going to be just perfect. Absolutely perfect. Perfection. So I'm kind of wondering. Like, what's the plan for NQ right now? Because it seems like we're just sweeping some highs, and I'm not sure if it wants to go higher or, you know, what the plan is. We really need to know. I feel like it could go higher now, but I mean, this is really holding the area. The only thing that I'm concerned with is this 5-minute candle here. Cecil Stenersen, thank you so much for subscribing and joining. Welcome. Welcome, welcome. Let's see. We are at 45 likes already. Can we get a little bit more? I know we can. Just let's get some 15 or 20 more likes. Cheesy Balls, hello. What's up? Cecil, welcome. I am always absolutely thrilled to see new viewers in the chat. Thank you so much for joining us. So, let's see. Let's see. Day opening gap low. Is this thing gonna go lower maybe? I think it might just want to reach for the mid-level of that 5-minute gap. I'm just curious about something here. I'm really just curious. Okay, mid-level. Somewhere there. Are we gonna go down to the 350? Kind of wondering. I'm really wondering. Are we gonna go down there? Because we swept another level here. We didn't go for that high. So anything can happen. Good morning, Olisha. Hello there. Loving Nature Guy, welcome. Confluence Trader, you're in. You're in a short? Let's go. I really want to see how far this is going to go. That's just a 5-minute. This is just a 5-minute. Wick mid-level. So nothing special here. Just so so that's not a zone there, but wow, quite interesting. 350 is the stop for Cameron. All right. I'm really curious if this one wants to still push it. We got to check the 15-minute time frame again. Failed to go lower. It's pushing higher. Back into this consolidation. We still have the gap up there. The void starts at 418.50 on the micro. And to be honest, there is a 15-minute level down there, just saying, right at midnight. So that would be the midnight level. 15-minute demand zone. How did I not see this earlier? So 15-minute demand zone right down there at 300. Is that 300? Yes. So we have some juicy targets on the downside. Just saying. Real juicy targets on the downside here. Exactly, Romeo. The price action is bizarre, to say the least. It is bizarre. It is absolutely bizarre. Going back to 69. Yeah, let's check for ES because, you know, okay, ES might want to go higher, right? Okay, there's nothing there. Maybe the 3-minute. Nothing. You know what? I'm going to put an alert here. If ES is approaching those levels, then we'll keep an eye on it. So again, let me show you this candle right there. That's what concerns me. Why? What do you mean? Why are we going up there? I don't know. I wish I would know. Question is, I say so many things. I don't know which why is it. I hope you're going. Bro, what is your chart background color? I have no idea. But one thing you can do is you make a screenshot of the screen and you Google, there's a website, you just Google the name color picker. So you just type it in color picker and you go to the website, you insert the screenshot or that part of the screen that you, it can be a small piece of image. And it will pick the color, the RGB code or the hex code or ASCII code, whatever. It will show you the exact color. That's how I used to do it. When I don't know the exact color, I just do screenshots and I go to Google and I type in color picker. And there's going to be like 2 or 3 websites that you just upload the screenshot and you just pick the color. So that's. But I think the bearish candles are Navajo white. I think the green ones is, I don't know if it's lime green or something. I'm not sure, to be honest. But I can show you the colors here. It has no name. Like I don't know. I don't even know the code. How long is the code valid? Yeah, so I think, let me just check it. Let me check it for you on Lucid. With Lucid, the promotion is up until the 4th of March. So that is going to be next Wednesday, midnight Eastern Standard. So Wednesday evening until next Wednesday evening, 50% off of any evaluation account if you use the code TOMSABO. 2 uses per person. And I just want to say the shameless plug, if you can support the channel by using my code, I would greatly appreciate it for you. Without the affiliate code, I never made a secret about it. It would be rather harder for me to be here full time on YouTube because I'm not the typical guru who is making $100,000 every day. Not yet. So thank you. I do appreciate if you guys use the code. That does help a lot. Thank you. By the way, the code is up there in the banner. It's TOMSABO. Everywhere is the same code. Apex, Bulenox, Lucid Trading, MyFundedFutures, Take Profit Trader, TRADEDAY, and everywhere else. TRADEIFY, of course, TRADEIFY instant accounts if you would like to try them, or you know, all the others. I have quite a few links in the description. Thank you. Stop loss is 360. Let's go. How do I have a trade on? How do I? Oh, I know what happened. I have a trade on, guys. I always put on the trades when I show you guys the trade. I totally forgot about this. I had a buy stop. Oh my gosh. It's in profit, but though, because it was on a different, okay. It was on a different account. Let me put a stop loss on it. It's in profit, small profit, but let me put a stop loss. I had a buy stop. Oh my gosh. All right, I'm gonna put a stop on it. Okay, here it is. Okay. Wow, this will be the first lucky trade of the year by leaving an order on. How did the buy stop not get triggered? I don't understand. I don't know. I think I should close it. Or not? Is it gonna go higher or not? I think I should just close it. Because this was okay. I'm putting it to break even. I don't care. This just slipped through. An order slipped through. How did this happen? I don't know. It's kind of weird. Hey, thank you so much. Oh, thank you, Maria. Thank you so much, Maria. I appreciate that very much. Thank you, Maria. Leave it to 458. You will be happy, camper. 458. Should I put it down to 458? Confluence Trader, if you say 458, I'm going to put it there. Do you want me to put it to 458? I'm going to do it. I'm waiting for your answer. This trade is going to be decided by your stop loss. Should I put it to 458 or not? I'm sorry, not the stop loss. What am I doing? The take profit, TP 458. All right. But the stop loss is going to get taken out. All right, I'm going to put it to 458. I'm going to put it to 448. Sorry, I was just... Okay, 448. Needs upward sweep. Well, anyway, it's a free trade, but I think it's going to go lower. I think it will go lower, which is not a problem. 458. New day opening gap high. All right. I can do that. All right. Just a second. It goes there, 24. It should be going higher, right? I think it should be going higher. Careful, Ninja Trader. Use OC order. Yeah, I think that's what happened here somehow. I don't know. This order should not have been... I was lucky because it goes higher, but that 2 micro should not have been there. So, yeah. But you live in Hungary and you're using American futures broker, Ninja Trader. I want to use that broker. How could I do it? Well, it's easy. I mean, I don't. Which country are you from? Dev Proton, which country are you living in? Signing off. All right. Thank you so much, El Burrito, for being here. Thank you for joining the channel. Thank you. Thank you. Have a great day, you too. I mean, NinjaTrader is free to download, right? And once you sign off to some of these prop firms, they're going to give you a NinjaTrader license key as well. When you register on NinjaTrader's website, you can actually register with that license key and just download it, and it works. I live in Hungary. Yes, yes. Mark Miller. Yes, Mark. I live in Hungary. The sun is shining right now. The weather is great. Awesome. We are at 54 likes. 54 likes, but I know we can do more. Can we get to 100? Okay, if not 100, at least let's get to like 70 something likes. Can we get to 70 something likes? Can we do that? Can we do that? You know, a little bit more. We only need like at least 15 more. It's easy to do. Just 15 more likes. Come on, everybody. Easy to do. And stay tuned for tomorrow. We're going to do a Take Profit Trader giveaway in tomorrow's stream. So make sure to subscribe and be here. How much money do I need to start trading micros on NinjaTrader? Well, this is a prop firm account. So I think I never tried to deposit personal cash on NinjaTrader. I think because it's the same as TradeAway, I think TradeAway lets you to trade with like $1,000 or $2,000. I think. So, you know, but this is a prop firm account. Zalában vagy? You're in Zala. Okay. I thought, okay. Well, that's actually a little bit, you know, not too close, but not that far. Where? I live in Kecskemét. Kecskemét, how should I put this? Kecskemét. Where the Mercedes factory, you know, we have the Mercedes factory here. 50 on TradeAway. So you can start with as low as $50. $50 you can start to trade on TradeAway. Wow. So we are trading on NinjaTrader's prop. Yes, this is a prop account. This is actually a MyFundedFutures account, by the way, currently. But yeah, this is a prop firm account. Yeah. With micro. 50 on micro. Okay, this trade is going to get taken out, I feel like, but no problem. I think we're going to go lower. Let's keep an eye on the 347. At least this was a lucky trade. Like I was lucky that I caught this earlier. Could have gone into a huge drawdown. Trader lost very violet waves. Oh, really? Yeah, I love the Balaton. Yeah, good times there. You know, always like to be there. Great place. $70 likes already. 70 already. Oh my gosh, we're getting closer to 100. Can we get it? For Ninja brokerage, you need a minimum deposit of 54 micros and 500 for. Okay, so $50 is like, but can you really do anything with $50? I mean, not much. I mean, even if you can trade it with one micro, $50 can go away with one single trade. So I guess the bare minimum, in my opinion, the bare minimum to trade with would be like $1,500 or $2,000. That would be the absolute bare minimum to trade with, I think, on your personal cash account. I feel like But to feel more comfortable, I think it would be like $4,000 or $5,000. Ideally, maybe more, like $6,000, $7,000, or $8,000 or $10,000. I think. I'm not in the US. I'm not in the US. Train Muresan. Sorry, Trayan Muresan. I'm not in the US. It's better to buy a 25K account. Yeah. I'm giving you sentences to practice. The letter V is your enemy. I'm fighting you with it. Okay. Okay. All right. Okay. All right. I know. Don't worry. I'm not taking anything wrong, but I get it. Okay. Guys, today there's going to be a debate at MyFunded TV. Lots of things on stake right now. You guys need to help me out and vote for me. I know Terry, she's listening right now. So I need to do my job right now to make sure that you guys come over to MyFunded TV and vote for me, because if we can secure this win, then victory is ours for the month. Yeah, it's pretty bad. Hey, don't worry about it. Don't worry. You know, as the Pope said, you know, everybody speaks Hungarian in heaven because it takes an eternity to learn it, you know. Vote for Terry. You see, I told you guys, she's listening. She's listening. I told you. Today is going to be really tough, everyone. It's going to be really, really tough. You know, all hands on deck right now. So I think when you ask questions, how much money do I need to trade futures? Do I trade futures, trade CFD? How much? I mean, what do you mean, Mark? How do I need to? I don't trade futures, trade CFD and learn. Yeah, there's nothing wrong like with CFDs as long as you know, go with proper risk management. That's the key to everything anyway. We are tied. That's what I'm saying. We need to actually, yeah, we still need one more win, but today we need to secure the advantage here. Today and tomorrow is everything. How can you wait so much long? I just analyze chart, put alerts, and close the setup. Well, by waiting so much for long, I mean, I'm in the long position already, so I don't know. I'm just chilling here. If this trade just goes to the stop loss, no problem. I might try to get into another one. Terry is for president. She's let's get the vote. Terry for president. All right, let me check on the numbers again. We are at 80 likes, guys. 80. Oh my gosh, 20 more to reach the 100. 20 more. Only 20. That would be amazing. Can we get to 20? Is it going lower? Okay, 15 more. I think it's gonna get stopped now. Still not. I don't know how. I don't know how this trade is still on. Should be getting stopped now. Okay, it's off. Okay, no orders left. The trade is off. Actually, I'm relieved, by the way, because now we can concentrate on more important things here. This one could be shifting. Let's see this other level here and what gold is doing. I don't know. ES also dropping lower. I'm actually interested in this drop, guys. I really am. I really am. I can't help myself. I am interested in this drop. How can I take an advantage of this? Tell me. I am really interested. I'm gonna see it dropping. Oh my god. I think I just realized something. Hold on. I think I saw something here on gold, by the way. I think I saw something on gold. Maybe a ghost, I don't know. But I think I just saw something here. Down with up. Thank you so much for joining the channel. Thank you for subscribing. Welcome to the stream. How's it going? Thank you, thank you. I'm not advising to deposit 4,000 for a beginner. Oh my gosh, no way. No way. That's why I'm saying it's not financial advice on this stream. This is not financial advice. I'm just saying I think that would be enough freedom. I would definitely not advise anyone to, especially for a new trader, to deposit $4,000 for a new account. Oh my gosh, no. Good morning, Jeff Smith. Hello. Have you ever purchased a direct funded account? Yes, I did. I did. And I managed to get, I think, pay. I mean, that one was back in the days when MyFundedFutures did the milestone plan, and also with TRADEIFY, I managed to get payouts from both, but that's it. I realized then that I felt like the pressure is a little bit too much on those accounts, for me at least. So I decided not to go with it. But then I was like, maybe it's not that bad. But since I'm usually passing at least one account out of 3, I was like, okay, no problem. I can work on evaluation accounts. But if you want like quick funded, if you want to get funded quickly, then obviously that's a possible choice. It's again subjective, right? It's subjective pretty much. Okay, I wonder how this candle is gonna close here. Okay, jumped into a sell. Here it is. Let's see how far are we gonna get with this one. I think we can get lower, like that 335. Can we get there? I think we can. 335. A little bit down there, but you know, why not? Would be great to get it down there. Because we have some nice juicy zones, but I don't know. Would be better to take some profit or partials down along the way. What's happening on gold here? Not much. Hold on. Just a second. 100. I might try to get another trade on gold. Is it gonna go down? I don't know. 72.6 down there. 72.6 buy limit. Maybe we can get it. Who knows? But anyway, let's wait. Okay, 770 buying opportunity for discount could be. Hey, Body Boss, what's up? Hello. What's happening with gold? That gold is kind of looks like it could be dropping again. Hard to say. Oil is going crazy. What's happening with crude? Oh, wow. What's up? What is happening with crude? Crude is definitely getting lower. Okay. And, all right. Not much here. Still kind of hoping that we can drop. We have some zones here. You know, why not just go with that? But if it's not going to drop, then so be it. It's just going to be one of those days. What confirmation we need gold to short? Well, we need a fair value gap somewhere along the way, because we can still smash through this demand zone. For example, if this candle, this 1 minute would stay with the fair value gap, that would be great. Or if the price goes back up there to that 2 minute fair value gap, that would be also good to put a limit order there. It's not financial advice, all right? The 3 minute also has a fair value gap up there, so limit orders up here could be good. Nothing on the 5 or the 4, but yeah. But it looks okay. Yeah, gold is dropping nicely there, but I don't know about NQ. Yeah. Kader Academy, thank you for joining. Thank you for subscribing to the channel. Welcome. Welcome, welcome. Okay, nothing is moving. What do you think about the 50 tick stop for 500 tick reward? I mean, that's like 1 to 10. That's definitely not my type of trading, but like if you're confident with the trade, it's hard to say anything about it, you know, buddy. It sounds amazing if it works, but you got to be confident about your levels, that you're what you're looking for, you know. Mimi, thank you for joining. Welcome to the channel. I'm just short, Dominic. I don't know. Nothing else is going on. I'm just short. But it's all good, you know. Nothing is happening. Everything is great. You know. Actually, I'm thinking to close down 1 micro from this because we're getting closer. Okay, I closed down 1 micro. So I'm gonna okay, so this is much better. You know, maybe it was a little bit of a heavy position. So I took off 1 micro just to make sure. Just to make sure everything is going to be all right. So with the amount of, oh, well, at least, you know, the cycle can begin again, you know, Dominic. You can start the cycle again. 7-day winning streak. I mean, yeah, I totally feel that, you know, after 7 days, you got to be prepared for a possible loss. That's true as well. That is true. That is definitely true. Okay. I think I made the right choice by closing a partial from NQ. Because it seems like we're going back up there. I keep getting 3 days win, 1 loss. That's actually good. Or they know no post trade going, and I was yeah. Well, this is part that's part of life, you know. It could be trading related as well. YM is looking nice for longs. Let's see. Oh wow. Well, the train has left the station on YM. I would definitely not be going long on YM, even if it goes higher. I don't care. The train left the station, and it's just too late to get in now. But yeah, it's kind of frustrating to see that NQ is playing these dirty tricks. It's just, you know, I can't put on another trade after this because these small losses, these just adding up. I just don't want to have more. Gotta wait for the market open, most likely. Yes, we have red folder news. That is true. So we have unemployment claims, I think. Do we have that? Is that the one? Yeah, unemployment claims. I need to get more coffee. I need to get it. Well, if you feel comfortable, like, you know, calling it a week, it's Thursday, you know, you can, especially if you're in the green, even if just small green there, you don't have to force it. 2K profit today. That's great. What they must. Thank you, order 288. Oh, wow. That's a great trade there. I mean, that's a 1 to 10 risk reward ratio. And I you did an amazing job at that, but you know, gotta be prepared that in that case, you will be hitting the stop a little bit more often, which is not a problem. It's part of the system. Oh. So that's what you do. So what's it gonna be, NQ? I think it will be it will be stopped out again. All these small losses are trying to, I mean, these are getting a little bit frustrating, to be honest. All right, we're out. Out from NQ. And no more trades for me in this early session. I will wait for the New York session. The account is down $176. So I can't take more trades. This is it. This is it. It's a chop fest anyway. So I will look for something better later. I'm not going to oversize anything here. But yeah. Yeah, definitely. You did right trades with CJ. So you got to go with micros there. Yeah, today was a chop fest for me. So small losses here and there. Couldn't really catch the move. I'm not gonna give more back. So Justine Wright, hello, welcome. It is a chop fest, right? We managed to get to 100 likes, everybody. Thank you. We're over 100 likes, which is amazing. Thank you, everybody. How many props are you using as of today? Which account are your favorite? My favorite is Take Profit Trader and MyFundedFutures, but I'm also trading now. I have to trade a little bit on Bulenox as well. I like Bulenox. I do like Apex as well. So in the top 3 up there is Take Profit Trader and MyFundedFutures. And on the 3rd place, I have multiple prop firms on the 3rd place. There are 2 prop firms I need to talk. Like they are flying under the radar, not participating in any drama. They just pay out traders. And number 1 is Bulenox. Bulenox, no drama, just paying out everybody. And the other one is Funded Futures Network. But we also have Lucid. So I would say the 3rd place will be Lucid. So let me just rephrase everything. On the top list, Take Profit Trader, MyFundedFutures, and Lucid is getting into that 3rd place. And I would say right next to them, Bulenox, Funded Futures Network. I do like a TRADEDAY very much. It's hard to say like which one is better, why, because it's just a personal perspective. But these prop firms prove to be paying the traders. No retroactive rules, nothing fancy. They just pay, you know. Good morning, son of Wall Street. Hello there. Oh, price is getting closer to that. Let's see what goes on here. Well, it seems like NQ might be going higher. We are actually very close here to the 400, by the way. Very close. I wonder if it will try to make it or not. Bulenox, yes, they have an activation fee. Yes, $148 on the 50K and 200 something on the 100K. Don't go higher than 50K accounts with Bulenox because that will be very expensive. Yeah, I trade Mr. Relax or M Relax. I am a co-host at MyFunded TV and I do take some trades there. So join us at 9 a.m. Eastern Standard at MyFunded TV. I'm a co-host there every day. I'm super grateful for the opportunity. And yeah, so join us because we're trading there every day. Because that would be too much, Vadimas. I'm streaming in London 2 hours. I'm streaming now, which is around 1.5 hours sometimes, and I stream in MyFunded TV. That's a lot of streaming. That's a lot of YouTube. And I'm still trying to figure out a way that I can stream on my Discord, because there will be live stream on Discord, and I keep saying this for a year now. And I'm trying to schedule a live stream on Discord as well, which would be a little bit different, like more personal a little bit, like more opened and more interactive with everybody. Share some setups and ideas, but I have so much idea, but I'm already streaming on average 5.5 hours a day, every single day. That's a lot. Trust me. You might seem like, oh, that's not too much. Trust me, it's a lot, I think. And I have other things to do other than trading, you know, outside of the charts. It's a lot of energy. Hey, Fiocos, what's up? 24-hour. I did a 24-hour stream back when I was streaming on Twitch. I was gaming and streaming on Twitch. I did a 24-hour stream. That was exhausting, and I was younger, but oh my gosh, I don't know. In trading, that would be like absolutely useless to do, for one. Maybe if I would be gaming for 24 hours, maybe, but trading 24 hours, trading stream, that would be absolutely useless. No point of doing that. Multiple platforms, yeah. All right, guys, I'm going to call it here. I'm going to call it. I'm not taking more trades. Let's wait for the market open, all right? Late night radio show, we can do that. Thank you everybody for watching. I'll be at MyFunded TV shortly. Please join us there. But I'll be back tomorrow for London and New York. There will be a giveaway. Make sure to be here in the New York session. Take profit trader accounts. Thank you for the support. If you would like to support the channel, please use the code TOMSABO up there for all these prop firms. Without the affiliate commission, guys, it would be definitely more difficult for me. I never made a secret about it, but thank you for the support. You are amazing, every one of you. God bless you all, and I'll be at MyFunded TV shortly. Vote for me because there's going to be a debate. All right, cheers, everybody. God bless. I'll be back. And yeah, news in 4 minutes. I'll be back tomorrow and MyFunded TV today. God bless. Cheers.